In this video, I will show you how to earn rewards by completing simple online tasks using the website MakeYouTask.com. This platform allows you to earn tokens by doing very easy activities like watching videos, viewing ads, and completing small micro jobs. First, register on MakeYouTask using the link given in my video description. After registration, log in to your account. After login, go to menu, click on micro jobs. Here tasks will appear when available. Most tasks are very simple, such as subscribing a YouTube channel, joining Telegram channel. After completing the tasks, upload the required screenshot, wait for approval. Once approved, you can earn around 700 to 750 tokens per task. Now see here, I have one task, subscribe to YouTube channel. So go here, copy the username. Now go to YouTube, go to search the username. Now subscribe it, take a screenshot. Now go back. Now click here and upload the screenshot. Now send for review. Now see here, pending approval. So when it's approved, you will get 700 token. After it's approved, you can see here, go to 3 dots, go to notification. You can see 700 tokens have been credited to your balance from task subscribe to YouTube channel. So you will see notification like this when they approved it. Now go to menu again, click on short earn. Here you earn tokens by watching short ads and videos. By watching videos for 10 seconds, you will earn 30 tokens and 1 energy. By viewing window ads, you will earn 35 tokens and 1 energy. And by viewing iframe ads, you will earn 30 tokens and 5 experience and 1 energy. Now I will show you. Go to YouTube videos. Now click on watch video. Click on play. Wait for 10 seconds. Now click on verify and claim. Now go back. See there, 39 tokens added. In this way, you can earn by viewing videos. Now go to window. Just click on view advertisement. Wait for some time. Now go back. Click on submit. See there, 35 tokens have been added. This way you can earn from window ads. Now go to iframe. So click on view ad. Wait for 5 seconds. Now click on verify. Go back. See there, 30 tokens have been added. Now again go to menu. Click on watch and earn. By watching YouTube video from here, for every 60 seconds you will earn 20 tokens plus 1 energy and 2 experience. Here rules is you can watch only one video per 24 hours. If you refresh the page after starting the video, you will lose the chance to watch it again for the 24 hours. Now I show you by playing it. Click on play. After 60 seconds you will get 1 energy to experience 20 tokens. This way you can play this video unlimitedly and earn tokens. See there, rewards added. In this way, for every 60 seconds you will get rewards. Now go to menu again. Now click on wheel for win. You can spin the wheel to win rewards. Each spin costs 10 energy, but your earned energy expires in 4 hours. So use your energy before it expires. Click on spin now. See there, now I won 10 experience. Now click on rewards. In this way you can earn from wheel. So finally go to withdraw section. You can withdraw using USDT, Litecoin, Bitcoin. Minimum withdraw amount is 2500 tokens. So its approximate value is $0.03. So now I have 9000 tokens. Now I show you live withdrawal proof. First select token. I selected Litecoin. So enter your first pay email address here. Now click on submit. Withdraw. See there, 9002 tokens have been withdrawn. Now I show you in my first pay wallet. See there, one payout received $0.09 worth of coins. See there, I received 0.0013 LTC. Okay guys, in this way you can earn from this site. Thank you.